Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. BERT Score is a metric used for evaluating the quality of generated text by comparing it to reference text. It leverages pre-trained BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, embeddings to calculate similarity scores between sentences. This tutorial will guide you through using the BERT Score library in Python to compute BERT Score and interpret the results. Make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries. Before calculating the BERT Score, you need reference and candidate texts. Reference texts are the ground truth or gold standard, and candidate texts are the generated or predicted texts that you want to evaluate. Now, let's compute the BERT Score using the BERT_score function. The result, P, R, F1, will be three tensors representing precision, recall, and F1 score for each sentence pair. The BERT Score ranges from 0 to 1, with 1 indicating perfect similarity. Interpret the results based on your specific use case. Here's a complete example. Adjust the reference and candidate texts according to your use case. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the BERT Score library to compute BERT Score for evaluating the similarity between reference and candidate texts. This metric is particularly useful for evaluating the quality of generated text in natural language processing tasks. Experiment with different inputs and explore how BERT Score can enhance your text generation evaluation process. ChatGPT